Alright, we're gonna do a quick unboxing video on these. I got them for my nephew. His birthday's tomorrow, so I think it's safe enough to put out a video on it that he won't see it between now and then. But they're really cool, so I wanted to show you guys the YouTube world, what the Pokemon Crocs look like. These are the Pikachu ones. The box is pretty nice. I got these right before they came out with the other Pokemon ones. Because I came across an adult size of the Charizard on StockX. They were like $300 or something for size like 14s. But then literally a month later, they came out with the Charizard ones, and I can't think of the other two offhand, but there's like 3 new Pokemon Crocs that they just released within the past couple of weeks. But the Pikachu ones have been out for a little while. So I ended up getting the Pikachu ones before they came out with the other ones, the Charizard ones. Had I known they were going to come out with those, I probably would have waited and getting the Charizard ones for him because he's a big fan of the Charizard. So regardless, I ended up getting these like a month ago, and I've just been sitting on them. So his birthday's tomorrow, so we'll show them off before I gift them to him while they're in good shape. And they're pretty nice. I was reading the reviews on them, and people were commenting that the black on them tends to rub off after a little bit of use, but he's got like a Naruto pair right now that are orange, and I was asking him about the wear on those, and he was saying that the paint tends to wear off on those too, so I don't know what kind of paint they use on these, but regardless, they tend to wear after a period of time. I wonder if there's anything on this that glows. I'm surprised to see this in here. Unless this came from a different pair of mine, I'm not sure. I don't think I stuck anything in this box. Maybe they do glow. I don't know what would glow though, maybe just that. So here they are. The detail's pretty nice. I don't know if it's coming through. There's a real subtle like gray pattern, like little Pikachu pattern in the black. And then these are permanent gibbets. You're not able to remove them. I believe they're glued on. It was like that with his Naruto Crocs too. They had permanent gibbets that were glued on. Because I ended up getting him some other Naruto gibbets, and we tried to find some space to put them on, but you're limited to the holes that are exposed with these because of these being permanently attached. I'm sure you could rip them off if you really wanted to, but you'd probably ruin them. So they're pretty standard, but with the all the added Pokemon details, they're pretty nice looking. I like the little Pokeball on the side there, on the rivet or whatever they use. It's like a rubber rivet. And then on the heel. So they're pretty nice. We'll see if the other one has any different gibbets on the front or if it's the same. Yeah, they're different. So I wonder if this glows. I'm gonna have to kill the lights and see if there's any part of these that glow. If not, when this section ends, that'll just be the end of it. But if it does glow, I'll try to capture it on my phone and put another section after this part. If I can find anything that glows on it, which would be cool if it does. I was unaware of anything that was supposed to glow on these. But I have a pair of glow Crocs, and part of me thinks that little glow thing got put in. But those are for kids though, if you look at it. I mean, that's like a little kid hanger thing. So maybe they do glow. I'll find out. But yeah, if you're looking at getting these, this is how they are. They're pretty quality. But yeah, the reviews were saying that this black material tends to scratch off and you see the yellow coming through. But I think you're gonna get that with any of these painted Crocs. That surface layer will probably scratch off. All right, I'll kill the lights. I'll come back even if they don't glow. I'll mention something that they don't glow, but I'll kill the lights and see if they do. But yeah, those are the Pikachu Crocs. Pretty nice. I think he'll like them. All right, I'll see if they glow. All right, so I just checked and these do glow. This lightning bolt on the side, and it wraps all the way around the front. They glow in the dark. Same thing with the outline of these gibbets. That little strip around it, and that strip around that one. Same with the other, I'm assuming it's the same with the other one. That little exterior strip there, they do glow. So that's pretty cool. I didn't know that when I bought these. I'll try to, but it's one of those things where you gotta charge it up. So I'll put it in front of the light here and see if I can charge it. And then I'll kill the light and see if the camera picks it up. Oh yeah. Those are awesome. Whoops, I dropped that one. Let me charge it again. I'll charge the gibbets and see if I can get those to pop a little bit better. Look at that. Isn't that awesome? He's gonna love these. Those are wild. I'm actually glad I got these now instead of the Charizard ones. I don't know if the Charizard ones glow at all. Pretty cool. Yep, so that's the Pokemon Pikachu Crocs with the glow-in-the-dark lightning. Pretty sweet. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe, please.